So last week, someone commented down below and said he wants a BMW under 200,000. So our first car for the day is this 2011 BMW 1 Series, which is going for 99,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 156,446 kilometers on the clock. This car is a 1.6 liter inline four-cylinder petrol engine producing 100 kilowatts of power and 160 newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers in 10.4 seconds. With a 6-speed manual transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 52 liters. So according to the Tekla report, this car has 7 issues, which are suspension stabilizer is noisy and broken, water must be fixed, and tires are damaged. When it comes to the interior of a 1 Series, it's still the same. So you have your 6.5-inch display screen, premier audio system, your seats, your steering wheel there. There's nothing too much about this interior, but the car, it is still okay. As you can see, even the color, it is okay, not there, no scratches. I really like those rims, man. They are